Welcome back to another cooking episode. On this cooking episode, I'm going to show you an amazing grilled cheese. So amazing, you're going to be amazed how easy it is. Stay tuned. Alright, this grilled cheese, all you need is 2 pieces of sourdough, a little fontina cheese, a little mango chutney, a little bit of butter, and that's it. That's how simple it is. I'll show you how. All you're going to do is take your 2 pieces of sourdough, put a little bit of mango chutney on top, spread it around nicely. This is mango chutney that you can buy at any store. It has just chunks of mango in there, a little bit of, looks like dried grapes. It's a really good mango chutney. So you can use anything. I've done this with like fig spread also. So all you do is put it all the way around. Should be enough. You don't want it too juicy. Set that aside. Now take your cheese. Take a knife and cut down strips like this. Then sometimes it sticks to the knife. Not a problem. Use your butter knife to pull them off. Put it on top. See how good it looks already? Same thing. Butter knife. Pull off. Put on top. Just like that. Flip this over. That's the start. Next, you're going to get yourself a non-stick pan, or any pan will do, at about, maybe it's only like a little ounce of butter. What I'm using is good grade European butter. It has a higher fat content. That way it gets nice and golden brown. So I'm taking it and sauteing, seasoning the pan is what they call it. So you get the butter all the way there. You set it aside a little bit. You put your grilled cheese right in there. And you can move it around with your hands so you can get the butter. See how there's still butter melting? It looks so amazing. So you're going to do this for about maybe 2 minutes. At this point, the grilled cheese is nice and golden brown on both sides. I'm going to use some tongs. You can use a spatula. Sometimes you can even just use your pan. Go off to the side. You can see how nice it is. I'm going to take a nice sharp knife. Cut at a bias. Use my serving tray. And put it just like this. So there you go. That's my amazing grilled cheese. Simple. Like I said, there's a lot of things you can do. You can change out the cheeses, but just a different way instead of doing your basic American grilled cheese with white toast. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's always nice to take something and take it a little bit further. I like to serve this with a nice little soup, like a tomato fennel, carrot ginger. Possibilities are endless. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned. Every week there's new stuff dropping. Tips Tuesday is huge right now. You got vlogs. You got tons of material. So please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all the love and all the comments and all the feedback. Stay tuned to next week for another future episode. And as always, follow me on social media. Instagram, Chef Jesse Q. Facebook is Jesse Quinones. Twitter is Chef Jesse Q. Till next week. Take it easy. Bye.